The 2018 Chrysler Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, remote engine start, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, power liftgate, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, backup camera, dual airbags, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, aluminum wheels, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.